It's Steve and Maggie. It's Steve and Maggie. Let's learn and play.
Whoa! Hello, girls and boys! Today we're going to a monster truck show. Wow! Oh, listen, I can hear the monster trucks coming. Can you? Whoa! Hey! Oh dear! They're going too fast. Stop! Oh, burning rubber. Oh, what a naughty monster truck. I better put you in your playground. Oh dear. Oh no, listen. Can you hear that? Yeah. So what's coming? That's right. A fire engine. Oh, sorry. We don't need you. But wow. Look, girls and boys. Isn't it cool? Yeah. It's a fire engine. So say with me, what is it? It's a fire engine. And again, it's a fire engine. Come on. It's a fire engine. Yeah. Oh dear. Oh, sorry. Okay. Off you go. Yeah. Oh, boys and girls. Hey, I think another monster truck is coming from over there. Oh, and another one from over there. Oh no, they're gonna crash. Oh dear. Oh, you naughty monster trucks. Oh, the police are coming to check they're okay. Don't worry, they're monster trucks. That's what they do. I'll put them in the playground. Oh, but look at the police car, boys and girls. Cool, yeah. So say with me, it's a police car. It's a police car. It's a police car. Oh, sorry. Okay, off you go. Yay. My thumb! Oh, you naughty monster truck! I think I'll put you in your playground. Oh, my thumb hurts. But listen, something's coming. Oh, I'm in luck. Look, it's an ambulance. Oh, hey, can you help me, please? Oh, great. Yay! Oh, thank you very much. So, look, boys and girls, it's an ambulance. Say it with me. What is it? It's an ambulance. And again, it's an ambulance. Yay! Thumbs up for a good job. Okay, off you go. Yeah! Whoa, stop! Oh, dear! Look at this mess. Oh, what a naughty monster truck. I'll put you away. Oh, dear. We have to tidy up, don't we? But hey, listen. What's that noise? What's coming? Oh, a bin wagon. That's great. Look at it go. Oh, hey, boys and girls, let's take a closer look at the bin wagon. And say with me, come on. It's a bin wagon. It's a bin wagon. It's a bin wagon. Yeah. Uh-oh, silly me. Look, I've made a bigger mess, haven't I? I better tidy up. Oh, dear. Oh, yeah. The Monster Truck Show. Hold on, can you hear that? You know what it means, don't you? Yeah, the ice cream van's coming. Oh, watch this. Say with me, it's an ice cream van. It's an ice cream van. Thank you. It's an ice cream van. Super. Now it's time to go to the Monster Truck Show. Yummy. Wow. Look at the monster trucks. Aren't they amazing? Yeah.
Lunchtime. Yeah.
Oh. Hey. Yeah. Oh, hello, girls and boys. Wow, I love to be here at the park. It's great, isn't it? Oh, but now I'm hungry. Let's take a look in my picnic basket. What have I got? Oh, wow! It's an ice cream! Oh, delicious! Hey, do you like ice cream? Yes? I don't like ice cream. No, I don't like ice cream. I love ice cream! Come on, say with me. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. Oh, it's delicious.
Hi, Steve. Hi.
Oh, hello, Maggie. Hey, come and join me for a picnic. Would you like an ice cream? It's delicious.
Ice cream? Ice cream? Oh, no. That will give Steve a big fat tummy. I've got a better idea. Yeah!
I really love ice cream. Huh? Hey, my ice cream! Maggie, that's my ice cream! Come back with my ice cream, you naughty, naughty bird!
No ice cream for Steve! No! Ice cream! But hey, come on, let's give Steve an apple! Yeah, that's healthy!
Oh, look, Maggie's coming back. What has she got? Is it my ice cream? No! Hey, that's not my ice cream, Maggie.
No, it's healthier than ice cream. Here you are. Catch!
Oh, an apple?
Yeah!
An apple? But I don't really like apples. Oh, well, I'm so hungry. It's delicious, I guess. I like apples. Oh, pardon me! How rude! Oh dear! But hey, that apple was delicious, yeah! And I've got something else in my picnic basket that's also delicious! Look! Oh, crisps! Yeah! I like crisps. Would you like one?
Hey, what are you eating now?
Crisps. Would you like some, Maggie? They're lovely.
Too many crisps will give Steve a big fat tummy. I know something better. Yeah! No more crisps for you!
Hey! No more crisps for me? Oh, Maggie, come back with my crisps! Don't take my crisps away! Oh, she really is a naughty, naughty bird, isn't she?
No, crisps are not healthy. Crisps, but sweet corn is better for Steve. Yeah!
Oh, look, Maggie's coming back, but she hasn't got my crisps. What has she got? Hey, Maggie, what have you got?
Something healthier than crisps. Here you are. Go!
What's this? It's sweet corn. Hot sweet corn. Oh, thanks, Maggie. Well, let's try it. It's delicious. Delicious sweet corn. Yeah. That sweet corn was delicious. Oh, but there's something else in my picnic basket. Oh, look. Oh, chocolate chip cookies. Oh, I hope Maggie doesn't take them away. Oh, I love cookies. Hey, do you like cookies? Yeah? Then say with me, but shh, quietly. I like cookies. I like cookies. I like cookies.
Hey, Steve!
Yes, Maggie?
Are you eating chocolate?
No, Maggie, I'm not eating chocolate. Oh, where's Maggie?
No more cookies for you!
Oh, she's got my cookies! Maggie! Come here with my cookies! Oh!
but let's give Steve a sweet peach. Yeah!
Oh, look, everyone. Maggie's coming back, but without my cookies. Oh, I really wanted something sweet and delicious.
This is sweet and delicious, Steve. Catch!
Oh, look, a peach. Okay, then, let's try it. Mmm, it is sweet and delicious. Oh, hey, do you like peaches? I guess I do. Thanks, Maggie. That peach was sweet and delicious, so I'm not hungry anymore, no, but I am thirsty. And the only thing I've got in my picnic basket is this fizzy drink. And that's not healthy, no. Maggie won't be happy, will she? No! Oh, I wonder what Maggie will swap it for.
Here you are!
Oh, water! Thanks, Maggie. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me have a drink of water. And now I'm full of energy and ready to go back to the playground to play. Yeah! Oh, hey, listen. I can hear something. It sounds like Maggie, and she needs our help. Where is she? Oh, I think she's up in the treehouse. Come on, everyone. Let's go to help. Come on.
No! It hurts!
Oh, Maggie, are you okay?
No! My tummy hurts!
I'm not surprised your tummy hurts. Look, everyone. Maggie drank all my fizzy drink, ate all the chocolate chip cookies, all the crisps, and the ice cream. I'm not surprised you've got a poorly tummy, Maggie. You should eat more healthily, like me.